Welcome student, myself Akshay Kumar Srivastav. I am your computer teacher. Today I will teach you computer class 3rd. Computer book name is Connect to the Computer World. Okay, what is the name of the book? Connect to the Computer World. Today I will discuss chapter 1. Chapter 1 name of the chapter 1 is a computer basics. Okay, chapter 1 name of that chapter is a computer basics. In this chapter I will teach you which type of a machine a computer and what is the working of that machine. Okay, and what are the various part of that computer machine. So we will start. Our first topic is that computer a machine. So listen students, I think most of you have a knowledge about this. Which type of a machine is a computer? It is an electronic machine. Which type of a machine is that? Electronic machine. Electronic machine means a machine that works on the electricity. So I think you have also knowledge most of the machines have used electricity, like washing machine, refrigerator, television, fan, cooler, most of that machine. So these are also a type of, these are also a computer. No students, no, that is wrong. Computer is an electronic machine and these are also an electronic machine, like fan, television or refrigerator or washing machine. What is the difference between these two? These are the general machines. Washing machine and refrigerator, they can do only a single work. Washing machine can only clean the clothes. Refrigerator is used to cool the food items. Television is used to watch the programs. Fan is used for blowing the air. But computer can do lot of the things, like you can type with the computer, you can also draw pictures, you can listen music, you can watch videos, you can play games, and you can also use internet. So computer can do various of the things same time. So computer is an electronic machine which is much better than other electronic machines. So can students understand? I think all of you got it. What is the computer? A computer is an electronic machine which works on electricity and it is much better than other electronic machines. So what we can use it? We can use it to store, retrieve and process the data quickly, easily and safely. What we can use it? A computer is an electronic machine through which we can use it to store, retrieve. What is the spelling of retrieve? RETRIEVE. Retrieve and process the data quickly, easily and safely. It means that through computer we can store our work and we can retrieve our work anytime. If you want, then we can retrieve it. If it is stored, then we can use that work in future when you want. And process the data, it is also a processing. Without processing, not any work will be done by the computer. And it is, computer can do work very quickly, very easily and very safely. Quickly means it can do works within a second. Okay, and it is very easy to do work on a computer. Okay, and it is also a safer. There is not any difficulty to work on the computer with a proper guidance. Teachers are also for proper guidance. I will guide you in a computer lab how to use the computer. I think most of you have also knowledge how to use a computer. Okay, so this is the computer machine. A computer is an electronic machine through which we can store, retrieve and process the data quickly, easily and safely. Okay, and now next topic is that working of the machine. Working of the machine, how a machine can work. A machine works through a process which consists of the following three main steps. Three main steps are there for working of the machine. Any machine is here. Okay, working of any machine, but in this chapter we have only talked about computer, so we have to discuss about a computer here. The working of the computer machine. What is the three steps? First step is input, second is process, and third one is output. There are the three steps: input, process, and output. Input means to give something to the computer, to give something to the computer with the use of keyboard or mouse. Okay, when we have given any instructions to the computer, these instructions is termed as a input. And process, what is the meaning of that process? Work on the given input, means कि computer can process the given input, how to manipulate that work, how to calculate the sums. If I have given some numbers 12 and 18 and tell the computer to add that number, so 12 and 18 is termed as input, 12 and 18 is termed as input. Okay, and if computer sum that 12 and 18 and got 30, so sum of 12 and 18, if we have to added 12 and 18, it is known as a process. And after that sum 12 and 18, we have got the result 30, this is termed as a output. This is termed as a output. Output means give a desired result. It is a result of processing. After the processing we got the result, this result is termed as a output. And this process is known as a input process output cycle. In short, we have to say that IPO cycle. What is the name of that? IPO cycle. And here a diagram of that IPO cycle: input, then input is going for process, and after that process we have to got the result. This result is termed as a output. Okay, so input, process, and output, IPO, it is a cycle. So today we have to discuss only 2 points: what is a machine, which type of a machine is a computer. So computer is an electronic machine, and what is the working? We can use it computer to store, retrieve, and process the data quickly, easily, and safely. And what is the working of that machine? Any machine like computer, there are the 3 steps of working of that machine. One is the input, second one is a process, and third one is the output. That is termed as the IPO cycle, and any working machines is based on the IPO cycle. Okay, in our daily life also you seen a various example of that IPO cycle. If you use a pencil is like an input, and if you sharpening that pencil, then sharpening that pencil is termed as a processing of that. And after that processing you got the result. This result is termed as a, you got a sharpened pencil. This is termed as a output. Any other example I take, if you got a bread is like a input, and if you want to toast that bread, so toasting, you use toaster, electronic toaster, or you use tawa, that is a processing, how to toast that bread. So this is the processing, and after that processing you got a toasted bread. That toasted bread is termed as a output. Okay, so that is over, students. Today I will teach you 2 topic: computer, a machine, and what is the working of that machine. I think all of you have a book also, to arrange the book as soon as possible. I also upload that PDF format of that book on your group. You will see the book on that group. Okay, and I also give you a assignment. Okay, home assignment. You will arrange a copy, any copy, and make a computer copy and do the assignment like homework on that. Okay, I will give a homework on the group. Okay, so goodbye, take care of yourself.